Yeah, how's it going, everyone? This is the Hammer Airsoft Smith. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fully disassemble the Colt M1911A1 gas blowback airsoft pistol. It's formatted off of the WEs. Let's begin. Well, before I begin, I just want to make a quick note. I've loosened some of the screws prior to the video to cut time. Alright. Begin by clearing the weapon. Take the magazine out. Nothing in the chamber. Then you begin to field strip the pistol. If you're not sure how to field strip, I have field stripping videos of this pistol in the playlist that this pistol is going to be in, which is simply labeled Colt M1911A1 gas blowback airsoft pistol. Well, it's actually Colt M1911A1 airsoft pistol. Yours probably won't be able to do this because I do have a replacement piece in here that I made, part 71, which I do have a tutorial on how to do that. It's in Airsoft tutorials and info playlist. Okay, now we're going to take the blowback housing unit out, which is right there. Get a hex screw, and you'll just take the hex screw right out. Screws out. Then you just grab the blowback housing from here and here, and just lift. It should just come right out. And then you have a nozzle return spring there. You can take the nozzle out like so, but it's not necessary. I show more about blowback housing units and all that in the playlist I stated before. So, I got plenty of videos on there. If you got any questions, you can just ask me, or you can just view those videos. Alright, so the slide is completely disassembled already. We're going to move on to the frame here. Let's take out these screws. Doesn't take too many tools to disassemble this pistol. I have this rag here so I can wipe off any excess lubricants. You don't need to remove this grip to fully disassemble the gun, but I will just to satisfy you. Even though at the end you'll see there was no point in doing so, just wasting time. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is cock the hammer, put your thumb safety up as if it's on, put the pistol down like so, and pull away the thumb safety. The reason you have it tilted like so is because the plunger spring, or plunger fell out, and I need to use a pencil or something to push the other plunger out. So 2 plungers and a plunger spring will come out. Now I usually return the hammer to the forward position like so, and I remove this pin here. There we go. There's the pin, and then gently get your mainspring housing out. Here's your grip safety. Then your leaf spring should come out. If it doesn't, get the hammer strut out of the way. Pinch the thumb here and just turn this way. If you're holding it like so, just turn this way, which would be your left. And the leaf spring should just come out. Now, you're gonna take out this screw. It's a Phillips. I'm using a flathead. Shame on me, but it works. So, whatever. Then you can either take this screw all the way out, or you can just loosen it. Doesn't really matter, because you don't have to take the screw all the way out for this section to come out. Loosen it a little bit more, and here it is. Then I'll get back to this piece in a second. Then you take the hammer out, cuff your hand, tilt the frame while pinching the trigger. Here's your sear. Disconnector should be coming out. There you go. Disconnector, sear. Now, there's a screw here, a flathead. You have to engage the mag catch, hold it, take a flathead, and just turn slightly to your left, and the mag catch will come right out. Now, cuff your hand once more, and there's the trigger. That's pretty much fully disassembled. Now, coming back to this piece, because I do have time. If you take this screw all the way out, that will release tension of this spring. That will come out, and so will the valve activator. Just to satisfy you, I'll take that out. It was recently cleaned and lubricated, so it's just a little slippery. Good thing I took it apart so I can wipe off all the excess lubricants. Here's the screw. Here's the valve activator spring. And here's the valve activator. You can also go the extra mile, remove that screw. Part 50 and part 51, which is a spring, will come out here. I'm not doing that because I don't like messing with that screw. You could take it apart if you like. You'll see it's really not that difficult to deal with. And that's a fact. Unless, of course, you stripped out the screw. Or whatever. But there you have it. That's the Colt M1911A1 gas blowback airsoft pistol, fully disassembled. Thank you very much for watching.